Good day, grade 2. How are you today? Are you feeling happy and excited? If you are feeling happy and excited, show me your beautiful smiles. Wow, I can see everyone is smiling. That means you are ready to learn. Once again, good day and welcome to our English class. Today, we will have a fun and exciting lesson in English. Our topic is all about adjectives. Can you say that with me? All about adjectives. Very good. I am your teacher Raya and I am so happy to be with you today. Before we start our class, let's look at what we learned today or what are the things that we need to accomplish in today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, each one of you are expected to Number 1. Give the meaning of an adjective. Second, identify adjectives in sentences. And lastly, use adjectives to describe different nouns. Wow! That means by the end of our lesson, you'll be able to describe people, things, and places using beautiful words. Are you ready? If yes, that's great. Let's begin. Let's start by learning what an adjective is. Class, can you say adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or gives more details about a noun. But what's a noun again? Yes, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So adjectives tells us more about those nouns. For example, if I say the ball, that's just a noun. But if I say the red ball, we now know what kind of ball. It is color red. The word red is our adjective. Let's repeat together. Adjectives describe nouns. Good job, grade 2. Now, let's look at some things adjectives can describe. We can describe color, size, shape, feeling, sound, and taste. Let's go through each one. We can describe things through its color. Like for example, the red ball. So, the word red is used to describe the color of the ball. So, red is an adjective. Next, size. The tiny mouse. The word tiny used to describe the size of the mouse. So, tiny is also an adjective. Next, we have shape, the round clock. The word round used to describe the shape of the clock. So, the round word is an example of adjective. Next, feeling, the happy child. So, the adjective word in this sentence is the word happy. Sound, the loud music. So the word loud is an adjective. And lastly, the taste, the sweet apple. So the word sweet is an example of adjective. Let's try one together. If I say the apple and I want to describe it, what can I say? Very good. I can say the red apple or the sweet apple. Excellent, grade 2. See, adjectives make our sentences more interesting and fun. Now, let's talk about describing people. We can use adjectives like tall, short, friendly, funny, and smart. Let's read this example together. The friendly teacher helped the students. Who do you think is the friendly one in the sentence? Again, who do you think is the friendly one in the sentence? Very good. It is the teacher. The word friendly describes the teacher. Can you describe your best friend? Wow, I heard someone say, my best friend is kind and funny. That's a great example. The word kind and funny is an adjective because it used to describe your best friend. Very good. Now, let's try to describe things. We can use words like soft, shiny, loud, bright, or small. Let's read this sentence. The small notebook is in my desk. Which word describes the notebook? Again, which word describes the notebook? Very good. The word small describes the notebook. Okay, let's practice. If I say the pillow, what word can describe it? Maybe soft. So we can say the soft pillow. Or if I say the bell, you can say the loud bell. Perfect answer. You're doing amazing. Did you know we can also use adjectives to describe places? Look at these words. Beautiful, quiet, busy, old, and clean. Here's an example sentence. The old chalkboard needs to be replaced. Which words describe the chalkboard? Very good. The word old. Can you think of adjectives to describe your classroom? Wow, I heard someone say clean and another said bright. Great job! That's correct. Our classroom is clean and bright. Now, let's have an activity. Our activity is called Describe Me. I will show a picture and I want you to choose the best adjective to describe them. So, you have to tell me your answer. So, you have to choose here in these words. For number 1, we have the book. Which adjective best describes the book? Is it sharp, long, or thick? Very good. The word that will best describe the book is the word thick. Good job. Next, let's have another example. What adjective can best describe the fire? Is it cold, hot, or smooth? That's great. It is the word hot. Number 3, we have a clown. Is it good, funny, or angry? Correct. The answer should be funny. The word funny best describes the clown. How about the next picture? A turtle. Is it fast, happy, or slow? Correct. It is the word slow. How about the rainbow? Is it hot, fast, or colorful? Excellent. It is colorful. Give yourself 3 claps for being so smart and for participating. 1, 2, 3. Good job, grade 2. Now, I want you to look around in your room or in your house or outside your house, I want you to find something to describe. Can you use adjectives to tell us about it? For example, describe your favorite toy, pet, or even the weather outside. Very good. Those are awesome sentences. I can see how creative you are. Great job, grade 2. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. I can now tell that you really know how to describe the things around you, and you already learned what adjective is. Again, adjectives tells us about color, size, shape, feeling, sound, and taste. You also learn how to describe people, things, and places. Before we end our class, let's say this together. Adjectives makes our sentences colorful and fun. Very good, grade 2. I am so proud of you. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for listening and see you again next time with more fun English lessons. Goodbye, grade 2.